This is 7 National News, and in our top story. A new judge affiliated to the Dubai International Financial Centre has taken the oath of office before the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, in a special ceremony held at the DIFC headquarters. The ceremony was attended by the Deputy Ruler of Dubai and Chairman of the Dubai International Financial Centre, His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and was also attended by the Governor of Dubai International Financial Centre. The ruler of Dubai welcomed Sir Richard Allenfield to the bench of judge of the DIFC courts, wishing him success in his post as a judge of the DIFC courts. As a result of the severe blizzard over New York, Emirates Airline and Etihad Airways have announced the cancellation of their flights during the 2-day snowstorm. According to a statement from Etihad Airways, flight EY103 from Abu Dhabi to New York on 27th of January 2015 has been cancelled due to severe US winter storm in the northeast. As a consequence, EY102 from New York to Abu Dhabi on 27th of January is also cancelled. Furthermore, Etihad Airways flight EY101 from Abu Dhabi to New York on 27 January 2015 has been delayed to arrive after the severe weather conditions. Meanwhile, Emirates Airline announced that flights EK205-206 between Milan and New York on January 26 had been cancelled, and passengers will be rebooked to travel on Tuesday, subject to weather conditions. According to the company's statement, the EK205-206 service between Dubai and Milan will continue as scheduled. Although flights to Boston will continue as per schedule, Emirates said that it will continue to monitor the weather conditions closely. Emirates has advised passengers to check for regular updates on their website, while Etihad Airways passengers can be updated with developments on the website as well as by calling the call centre. Medical tourism insurance packages may soon be available for patients travelling to Dubai for medical treatment. This is in an effort to boost Dubai's medical tourism initiative. At a press conference held on the sidelines of the ongoing Arab Health today, His Excellency Engineer Isa Al Maidoor, the Director General of the Dubai Health Authority, said they are currently studying this initiative. He added that the introduction of a medical tourism insurance will help provide 360 degrees comprehensive care to medical tourists. Dr. Leila Al Marzouqi, Acting Head of Health Regulations and Director of Medical Tourism Project, said medical tourism insurance ensures that in case there is a complication, the additional expense is covered by insurance. The authority also announced the introduction of the medical tourism visa, which is valid for 3 months and is renewable thereafter. In addition, authorities say medical tourism packages for both inbound packages for residents and outbound packages for tourists are available for certain medical services, and more services will be added shortly.
The package of medical tourist insurance, it will not cover the price of the procedure that the medical tourist will do, but it will cover the complication, God forbid, in case it happens. We all know that complication for any medical procedure, it could happen anywhere and with any doctors. But here, to give a peace of mind to the insured, to the medical tourists who come to Dubai, and to make sure that they will, in case something goes wrong, so it will be taken care of. So this is the medical insurance for tourists that will be launched. It basically consists of 2 components. The first one, it will have the travel insurance, which will cover emergency in case of emergencies, and the other component is in terms of complication after procedure. And then in case the medical tourist goes back to their country and then the complication happens until 3 months of the time of procedure, this medical tourist insurance package, it will cover for that 3 months period, and will cover for the patient coming back to Dubai and their stay and their flight and the treatment of the complications as well. So this is very unique program that we're working on it for the time being, and inshallah it will be launched soon.
Also on the sidelines of Arab Health, UAE-based RAC Hospital and India's Shalby Hospital announced their new joint venture that would bring the revolutionary zero technique to the UAE. Its innovator, Dr. Vikram Shah, and his team will visit the hospital regularly to conduct procedures in the area of joint replacement, total knee replacement and total hip replacement. Dr. Raza Siddiqui, Executive Director of RAC Hospital and CEO of Arabian Healthcare Group, says This partnership will also largely contribute to Dubai and the UAE's vision of becoming a medical tourism destination while benefiting patients.
We are bringing this special relationship with one of the best in the joint replacement work, Shalaby Hospitals out of Ahmedabad in India. We have here Dr. Vikram Shah, who has done the largest successful number of joints in the world. He has done more than 54,000 joints, and success rate is comparable to the best in the world. The beauty is the entire surgery is done within 15 minutes as compared to 1.5 to 2 hours. So patient is able to walk after 2 hours and go home in 3 days. So with this, we can attract a lot of patients from the region to come to Ras Al Khaimah RAC Hospital and take benefit of this surgery.
This is for people with arthritis, osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Largely, this is a geriatric surgery, so we do it after 50 years of age. And we recommend it for all the disabled people, and this helps patients recovering faster. So, there is a less load on the system. The recovery is very fast, there is much less pain, they are very comfortable, they get a full flexion, they are able to cross their legs, they are able to sit on the floor also. So, this helps in recovery much faster, as well as why we call it zero technique is everything approach is zero, time, the size of cut. We don't use wound drainage anymore. We don't use urinary catheter also. So, patient feels just, come in and get out.
According to Abu Dhabi police records, 61 deaths during the last year were a result of exceeding these legal speed limits. Brigadier Hussein Ahmad Al-Harithi, the director of the Traffic and Patrols Directorate at the Abu Dhabi Police, was quoted by Emirates news agency WAM as saying that of the total number of deaths caused by traffic accidents, 23% of the deaths are attributed to speeding. Brigadier Al-Harithi also warned drivers against exceeding the legal speed limits, outlining that the higher the speed is, the less time there is to stop, which makes it more difficult to avoid a traffic accident. The Director of Traffic and Patrols Directorate stressed the commitment of the Abu Dhabi Police to promote traffic education among drivers in the public and private sectors. He also highlighted the importance of adhering to legal speed limits and in intensifying the efforts in traffic control through patrols and radars for maximum safety. Through various programs and initiatives, a total of 10,000 drivers from the public and private sectors have benefited from the 169 awareness programs and lectures during the past year. And the Dubai Police's emergency number 999 received almost 3 million calls in 2014, of which only about 25% calls were about actual emergencies, according to senior police officials. People dialed 999 to inquire about the weather, find out how to use telephone cards, to seek help in locating government buildings and to complain about taxi drivers, according to the police, who also added that they received many prank calls. 999 received 2.9 million calls in 2014 as compared to 2.5 million in 2013 and 1.04 million in 2012. Of the total number of calls received by the police in 2014, only 530,000 were about actual emergencies. The police statistics also showed that 98% of the calls were answered in less than 10 seconds. With the 999 service to be used only for urgent police intervention and ambulance services, police are urging the public to call the toll-free number 901 for non-emergency calls, where they're able to respond to customer inquiries about the Dubai police services, such as criminal record certificates, traffic certificates, obtaining burial permissions, certificates for corpse transfer, subscribing to the house security surveillance system, and heart patient program. A survey from the Abu Dhabi Farmers Services Centre has revealed that the overall market size of fruits and vegetables in both the capital and Dubai is estimated at 1.05 million tonnes and is valued at 2.4 billion dirhams. Today, the ADFSC revealed results from their market position survey, which sourced information from government departments as well as 16 top wholesalers in Abu Dhabi and Dubai and 9 institutions and partners. According to the findings, local produce has been growing 4 times faster than the overall market in volume terms and approximately 5 times faster in value terms, with cucumbers, capsicum, herbs, leafy vegetables and tomatoes enjoying a high local share. Local fruit and vegetable volume share is estimated at 16%, while the overall market size for fresh meat, chicken and eggs is estimated at 255,000 tonnes and is valued at 3.7 billion dirhams. Beef and veal have a large value share. However, local produce accounts for a very low volume share as these products are mainly imported due to taste preferences. According to Peter Enser, Planning and Studies Section Manager at the Abu Dhabi Farmers Services Centre, the study is a great indication of the growing public awareness about the importance of buying local produce since it is healthy and grown sustainably.
To have a result of 16% local market share is very, very positive. A really positive aspect of the study was finding out that the local produce has been growing faster than the overall market. So we found out that the local produce for fruit and vegetables actually grew 4 times faster than the total fruit and vegetable market by volume. And then in value terms, it actually grew 5 times faster. So what this means is that more people are buying local product and obviously consuming it. And good for our farmers, they're actually paying more for local product. If we were to look at opportunities for growth, a crop like a potato, which has a very large total market share, around 140,000 tonnes, if we only got about 4 to 8% of the total market from local product, there's great opportunity to grow.
And finally, in the bulletin, if you've ever dreamt of travelling the world as part of your profession, then now is the time to join the leading airlines of the world with the start of a new recruitment drive for cabin crews. Etihad Airways, Emirates Airline and Qatar Airways are launching recruitment campaigns all around the world during February and March this year, offering candidates a chance to join their in-flight teams. According to Emirates Airline's website, invitation-only and open-day cabin crew assessments will be held in India, Sri Lanka, Australia and several other countries. Meanwhile, Etihad Airways announced that it is looking for candidates with outstanding hospitality experience, adding that their international recruitment days with CV drop assessments will be taking place in Kiev, Belgrade, Milan and Rome. Aspiring cabin crews who are based in the UAE can take part in Etihad's invitation-only assessments on the 4th, 11th, 18th and 25th of February. Those interested in the catering side can attend the open days for in-flight chefs and F&B managers scheduled on the 9th and 23rd of February. Qatar Airways, on the other hand, has offered opportunities for individuals with hospitality and customer service backgrounds, with the international campaigns to be held in Africa, Eastern Europe and Asia-Pacific region. At least 15 cabin crew recruitment events have been organised by the airline and will be held in several cities including Dubai, Muscat, Bahrain, Mumbai, Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur and Prague, among others.